Today I'm going to be making a challenging game in Scratch.
I still have no idea what it's gonna be, but it's gonna have like a bunch of puzzles and hard things to do. And yeah.
Alright, so what I'm doing right now is I'm making the player code. First we need like a platforming script, so I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I just made a platforming script, so this should work. There's also collision and jumping, and then after this, I'm going to make it like scroll. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm trying to implement scrolling. So first I'm going to create two variables, scroll X and scroll Y. Then I'm going to hide them and I'm going to change them by the X and Y. Although I did encounter a bug, I just forgot to say change the scroll X to scroll Y. And then in the graph bar, I just go to the negative of scroll X and scroll Y. So now as you can see, there's a quick bug. I'm just about to fix that. So yeah. All right, now it scrolls. Yeah. The next thing we can do is add some puzzles and add some actual gameplay. What I'm doing right now is I'm sort of starting designing this, and I can add some actual gameplay. So yeah, let's get started.
So, kind of led to.
All right, I finished drawing this little guy. I don't really know what it's supposed to do, but I also had to fix the background because his hat is kind of like invisible. So yeah, I'm gonna figure out color. We're gonna make like a submarine game. So you add like a background. You make it like gray. Don't 0 to 0. Oh, we also need to make it go to the back layer. You can like group. Okay, I don't even care about that anymore. Alright, now it still doesn't look like a submarine. I want to make it look like a submarine. Okay. Doesn't really look like a submarine still. I think I just have to make this guy like double the size because he's kind of small. He's kind of fat now. I don't like it. He needs to be 150 though. 150 pounds. Alright, this is good. Now we need to make the background look realistic. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna. That worked. It's like a bug. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna make it a bit bigger because there's a few bugs that are happening. So there, and a little bit bigger. Alright, now it just looks. Now we need to have a ocean, so I'm gonna create an ocean sprite.
Boom. All right.